Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out CrowdSurf here, and you're wondering, can you actually make money from transcribing? Okay, so let's take a look at CrowdSurf. This is a very cool website where you can basically take audio, transcribe it into written text, and you can actually get paid for this. So this could be a potential legit way to make side income. Let's take a look at it. Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to 5 to 10,000 US dollars per month minimum, then go ahead and just click the link below, and I'll send you that strategy directly to your email if you would like. All right. Now let's take a look at CrowdSurf. There's lots of different ways to make money on the side now, especially in this economy that we live in, the new economy. And CrowdSurf is one of those options, right? So you can come here and you can sign up if you're in the US, or international as well. So depending on where you live in the world, just go ahead and click on either USA, Canada, or international, and you can sign up with them to basically do some transcribing. All right. Now, the interesting thing about CrowdSurf that you need to understand is that you're going to be signing up with Work Market. Okay. So when you click on USA, Canada, or international here, it's going to send you to Work Market, and you need to sign up with Work Market in order for you to start getting paid through CrowdSurf. All right. So Work Market is the company that runs everything in the background, and so you'll be paid directly by Work Market, just so that you understand. All right. Now, how does this work? So after you sign up with Work Market, there are a couple of things that you need to do. You need to answer a few questions about your personal, your personal details, tax information, and also you need to take 2 transcribing tests. Make sure you take the tests because you want to see whether, if you're a beginner, whether this is the right kind of side gig for you, and also they need to see whether you're up to scratch. Okay, the cool thing about CrowdSurf is they do accept beginners, so you don't need to have any experience to get started, and you can slowly work your way up to higher pay. And we'll talk about how much you can get paid from transcribing on CrowdSurf in a minute, okay? But make sure you take the tests because they need to see that you're proficient in actually listening to audio and typing things down, which is what transcribing is, right? Now, once you've taken the test and you've passed, then they'll basically give you a list of jobs to start with. Now, depending on your level, they pay between 3 cents and 20 cents per audio minute, right? What that means is that it's not for the amount of time that you spend, but the amount of time that you've actually recorded per audio minute, okay? So the spoken audio minute, how much time is that? So for example, 1 audio minute might take you 5 minutes or 10 minutes to type out. But as you get better at this, 1 audio minute might only take you 2 minutes, for example, to actually type out, right? So again, it comes with experience, it comes with speed, it comes with the ability to get better at doing transcribing, right? And they'll pay you between 3 cents and 20 cents per audio minute, again based on your experience and the jobs that you do and how much time you spend on CrowdSurf and working through Work Market. That's kind of how it works, right? So it's not huge income. I mean, if you're making, let's just say, something in between like 8 cents or 10 cents per audio minute, that's actually very little pay if you think about it, right? It's a real way to make money, right? And they pay out through direct bank deposits if you live in the US and Canada. If you live international, they'll pay you out directly through PayPal, and the thresholds are very low, so you can withdraw your money, with 50 cents, for example, made through them. But still, if you're making on average 10 cents per audio minute, that isn't really that much income if you think about it. If you do the math on that, can you really make full-time income by making 10 cents per audio minute? I mean, that might take you 5 or 10 minutes per audio minute, right? So it's going to take you quite a long time to earn quite a lot of money, if that makes sense, okay? So, I think that it is a legitimate opportunity. So CrowdSurf is definitely legit. You can make side income through transcribing, but is it the best way to actually earn money as a side hustle, as a side income? Maybe not. Depending on where you live in the world. If you live in a part of the world where a few dollars a day could be life-changing, then transcribing work through CrowdSurf might be something for you. But if a few dollars a day is not life-changing income, then maybe this might not be the best opportunity for you, even though they are legit and they do pay, and all you need is a computer and an internet connection, which is pretty cool. All right, so if you want to check out CrowdSurf, you can just head over to crowdsurfwork.com. All right, but if you're here watching this video right now, maybe you're looking for a way to make side income or even full-time income 100% from home, just using your computer, and you don't know how. All right, now there are many ways to do this. I've been online for over 14 years. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly, and for me, my favorite way, still till today, to get to 5 to 10,000 US dollars per month minimum, 100% from home, just using your computer and the internet, is a strategy that I love to teach. Okay, so if you just click the link below this video, I'll send you that strategy for free to your email if you'd like to check it out. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this review of CrowdSurf today, and I hope to see you on another review. Take care.